Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, power windows, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.